वालों की तरह घूम रहे हुए हैं इस मार्केट में. 2:30 I have cut off. I have to leave at any cost. If you are in Guwahati, you have to come to this. It is like a Sarojini market. You'll get all winter clothes, everything for 100, 200, 300, 400 with little better quality.
Namaste everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Just 10 minutes walkable distance away from the Umananda temple in Guwahati, you can see your Fancy Bazar. So if you are coming with your own vehicle, there is a huge parking slot available at this location.
I'm going to Fancy Bazar. इसके बाहर ही है करके बोला है उन लोगों ने, तो इसलिए जा रही हूँ.
If you are new to my channel, I am VJ from Bangalore, Karnataka, exploring Assam, Guwahati. So Fancy Bazar is something which you can explore in Guwahati. You have to add it in your list. This market has many sections and this is a floral section. I was so mesmerized to see that, the aroma of flowers and the beauty, the freshness in the morning. I visited the temple and then I'm coming to this Fancy Bazar. There's another video for the Umananda temple. Do check that video out. So I was having 1 hour time for my flight from Guwahati to Bangalore. Then I thought, let's explore 1 hour time. Let's see what I can get it from this Fancy Bazar. So in this video, I'll tell you what all you can buy in 1 hour.
Clothes like from 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. I don't have space in my bag.
If you have been to Sarojini market of Delhi, you can see a lot of similarities over here. So many winter clothes were there. I don't know, like maybe some thread or something has been not done properly. So they, instead of discarding, they will sell them for a lower price. So you can get a lot of good things for lower cost over here.
100 rupees, man. You are getting all these kind of things. This is so good. But there won't be much cold in Bangalore. I don't know where will I wear them. These are for 250. This looks like one of my sweater.
I had very limited time here, so I had to be very quick. There were so many options over there, but somehow I took some four sweatshirts. I cannot stay away from sweatshirt, but because of the Bangalore weather, we cannot wear them more here. So I was searching something which is very thin and manageable, something like that. So you can get, the head cover, jackets and socks, and these are the Assamese shawl over there, like as a welcoming gift. They put it on each and everybody. So you can buy a lot of things over here. Very cost effective. Not only clothes for both men and women and kids, you have a lot of places to explore, like street food and bamboo related arts, everything on the road. So you can get a tuk-tuk as well. So via that tuk-tuk also you can come over here. They have different sections for slippers, sandals, and winter clothing sections, jeans, everything, flower, fruit. So different sections are there. So if you have enough time, you can explore everything. You can get it at one place. So this was really good. Like if I was coming here before start of the trip, we went to Arunachal Pradesh trip, by the way, via Assam. So I would have got many things over here and wore in the trip. But no worries, I can wear them in the next trip. But if you are coming for Assam and not tried Assam tea, then that is a waste of travel, right? So while going to the airport, our driver stopped at one location and I could buy some Assamese chai as well. Let me know if I have been like I think I have paid overpriced for this tea, or this is the actual cost of the tea. Tea lovers, please add in the comment section. I don't drink tea, but my entire family drinks tea.
Classic tea. स्मेल ही नहीं आ रहा. कितने का है
ये 1150 का.
1150.
हाँ केजी.
इतना कॉस्टली.
हाँ ये दाम है चाहे क्लासिक क्या शाम का बेस्ट है. इसका को 760 680.
इसका
ये दोनों का सेम है. इसका 760.
खड़क है ये मतलब.
हाँ स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए.
ये आधा आधा का दो. नहीं, आधा ये और ये नॉर्मल है ना?
ये मसाला तेल, तो लौंग इलायची दालचीनी तेजपत्ता सब मिक्स।
हाँ, तो ये आधा ये आधा। और इतना बड़ा वाला पैक आएगा क्या?
हाँ 500
अरे यार, मैं कैसे लेके जाऊँ इसको अभी? कितना हुआ? ये कितने का है?
300 250 ग्राम।
मेरे को स्मेल ही नहीं आ रहा है इसमें से तो।
हम लोग ये बार बार खोलता है तो इसका स्मेल, इससे अच्छा स्मेल इसमें होगा, इसलिए हम लोग बार बार खोलता है। लेकिन ये बेस्ट गार्डन आया हम लोग का सामने।
सेम ही तो लग रहा है मेरे को।
नहीं, ये देखिए ये करक हो गया है, सत्तू से हो गया, इसमें सब करक भी मिलेगा आपको, वो भी मिलेगा, सब इसमें।
अच्छा ठीक है, दे दो। ये और ये 3 कितना हुआ?
मेरा नाम दीपक है, मैं गुवाहाटी का हूँ।
और मैं आपको असम घुमा दूंगा।
मैं पूरा असम घुमा दूँगा। आने की
गुवाहाटी घुमा दूंगा।
असम तो गुवाहाटी होगा।
ठीक है।
Stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, do like, share and subscribe.